crushed by the quake. Surely no one has survived. But the rescue workers are hopeful, and in the rubble there are signs of life. A closer look, then a call for help. There's someone down there. Under the light of their head torches, the face of a boy is revealed. He's lying still, and the search teams fear the worst, until they see the flicker of his eyes, the shift of his head. Ropes and cables are brought in, and he's lifted from the debris to safety. He looks around, searching for his loved ones as he's taken to hospital. He mutters a few words. "Bring me some water," he says. His hand is trembling. His voice is weak. His name is Muaz, and he's 8 years old. And then a question to silence the hospital ward. "Where's my mum?" he asks. The answer isn't clear, and no one can provide one yet, until a surviving member of his family arrives. "Do you recognize me? I'm your uncle," he says. "God bless you." It later becomes clear that his mother is alive, but soon he will also learn that his father, his sister, and his brother were killed. At the apartment block from which Muaz was rescued, the search went on, but this is now becoming a recovery mission, an infrastructure stretched by 12 years of civil war. And for a boy who has always known the pain of that conflict, and now the destruction of an earthquake, the greatest trauma might be ahead, when he learns that not everyone